De nada everyone. Hello, welcome everyone. Yo soy Shivani. I'm Shivani. Estoy aquí para enseñarte español. I'm here to teach you Spanish. Today video tutorial we are going to learn how much does it cost related sentences. It means in today's video tutorial we are going to learn how does we ask the cost of particular item during shopping. Guys, all of us going for shopping, that's normal, but at the end of shopping we ask the shopkeeper how much does the particular item cost. So in today's video tutorial we are going to learn how much does it cost, how much does the particular item cost during shopping in Spanish. I hope guys you are really interested to learn all of these sentences, and then I'm gonna teach you some new sentences related to shopping, like size, what size do you need, I'm in the fitting room, and what we call fitting room in Spanish, can I try this, etc. in Spanish. And at the end you guys learn what we call credit card and cash in Spanish, and some sentences related to credit card and cash. I hope you guys really interested to learn all of these things. If you guys learn something good from this video, please like, share and comment on Languages for All channels, and please subscribe to my channel. So let's start today's video. First of all, how can we say how much does it cost in Spanish? So how much does it cost in Spanish mean cuánto cuesta. Cuánto cuesta means how much does it cost in Spanish, where cuánto means how much, and cuesta means does it cost. So cuánto cuesta is used to say how much does it cost in Spanish. Let's see the example of this. So our first example of this question is cuánto cuesta el vestido negro. It means how much does the black dress cost. El vestido negro means the black dress in Spanish, cost means cuesta, and cuánto means how much. So if we want to ask how much does the black dress cost, how can we ask cuánto cuesta el vestido negro? And the reply of this question is el vestido negro cuesta $20. $20 means $20, and cuesta means cost. El vestido negro means the black dress. Negro means black and vestido means dress. So el vestido negro cuesta $20 means the black dress costs $20. Guys, there is one important point. If there are more than one things, so we use cuestan instead of cuesta. If we are asking about more than one things, so we use cuestan instead of cuesta. For example, ¿cuánto cuestan estos zapatos? How much do these shoes? These shoes meanings there are more than one shoes here, so we are going to ask the cost of more than one shoes in Spanish. So we use cuestan instead of cuesta. So cuesta is used to ask the cost of one particular item, and cuestan is used to ask the cost of more than one item. So cuánto cuestan estos zapatos. Zapatos means shoes, estos means these. So cuánto cuestan estos zapatos means how much do these shoes cost. And the reply of these sentences, esos zapatos cuestan $19. $19 means $19. Esos means those, zapatos means shoes, cuestan means cost. So esos zapatos cuestan $19 means these shoes cost $19. Guys, now I'm going to give you some sentences, some words, and then I'm going to giving you some sentences related to that words. Our first word related to shopping is size. How can we ask size in Spanish? Size is known as talla in Spanish. Guys, double L is pronounced as J in Spanish, so size means talla. Size means talla in Spanish. Our next sentence is price. Price means precio. Price means precio. Precio means price in Spanish. Fitting rooms means probadores. Fitting room means probadores. Are looking for means buscan in Spanish. 13, 14 or 15 means 13, 14, 15 in Spanish. 13, 14, 15 means 13, 14, 15 in Spanish. Try means probar. So size means talla, price means precio, fitting rooms means probadores, are looking for means buscan, and 13, 14, 15 means 13, 14, 15, try means probar. Now I'm giving you some sentences related to that words. Our first sentence coming to you is, can I try this skirt? Can I try this skirt means puedo probar esta falda. Esta falda means this skirt, and can I try means puedo probar. So puedo means can I, try means probar, this means esta, and skirt means falda. So can I try this skirt means puedo probar esta falda. Our next sentence is, there is no price for this dress. So no hay precio para este vestido. I means there is, or there are in Spanish, so it is pronounced as I in Spanish. So no price means no precio. Para means for. As this dress means este vestido. So there is no price for this dress means no hay precios para este vestido. Our next sentence is, what size do you need? What size do you need means ¿qué talla necesitas? Necesita means do you need, size means talla, and ¿qué means what. So what size do you need means ¿qué talla necesitas? Our next sentence is, where are the fitting rooms? ¿Dónde están los probadores? ¿Dónde means where in Spanish, are means están. The fitting rooms means los probadores. So where are the fitting rooms means ¿dónde están los probadores? Our next sentence is, these prices are very good. Estos precios son muy buenos. Buenos means good in Spanish. Muy means very. Muy means very in Spanish. Are means son. So these means estos, and prices means precios. So these prices are very good means estos precios son muy buenos. Our next sentence is, they are looking for some cheap skirts. Ellas buscan unas faldas baratas. Baratas means cheap in Spanish. Some means unas in Spanish. Falda means skirt. And they are looking for means buscan. They means ellas. So they are looking for some cheap skirt means ellas buscan unas faldas baratos. Ellas buscan unas faldas baratas means they are looking for some cheap skirt. Our next sentence is, are you looking for some white shoes? Buscas unos zapatos blancos. So white means blancos in Spanish. Some means unos, and zapatos means shoes, and are you looking for means buscas. So are you looking for some white shoes means buscas unos zapatos blancos. Our next sentence is, Sahil, I am in the fitting room. Sahil, I am in the fitting room means estoy en el probador. Sahil, estoy en el probador means Sahil, I am in the fitting room. Our next sentence is, all the hat cost $10. Todos los sombreros cuestan $10. $10 means $10. Cost means cuestan. All means todas in Spanish. The hat means los sombreros. So all the hat cost $10 means todos los sombreros cuestan $10. Our next sentence is, I have to pay 15 pesos. Tienes que pagar 15 pesos. Tienes que means have to in Spanish, and pay means pagar. 15 means 15, pesos means pesos. So you have to pay 15 pesos means tienes que pagar 15 pesos. Guys, now I'm gonna teach you how can we see credit card and cancel in Spanish. Credit card is said as tarjeta de crédito. Tarjeta de crédito means credit card. Tarjeta de crédito means credit card in Spanish, and efectivo means cash in Spanish. So credit card or cash means tarjeta de crédito and efectivo. Efectivo means cash, and tarjeta de crédito means credit card in Spanish. Now I'm giving you some sentences related to credit card and cash in Spanish. So our first sentence is coming to you is, why don't you pay with the credit card? So ¿por qué no pagas con la tarjeta de crédito? Tarjeta de crédito means credit card in Spanish, and with means con in Spanish. Pay means pagas, and why don't means ¿por qué no? So why don't you pay with the credit card means ¿por qué no pagas con la tarjeta de crédito? Our next sentence is, I don't have my credit card. No tengo mi tarjeta de crédito. Tarjeta de crédito means credit card. My means me. I don't have means no tengo. So I don't have my credit card means No tengo mi tarjeta de crédito. Our next sentence is pago los pantalones en efectivo. I am paying for the pants in cash. En efectivo means in cash in Spanish. Pantalones means pants. Pago los means I am paying for the pants. So pago los pantalones en efectivo. It means I am paying for the pants in cash. Our next sentence is cash or credit. Cash or credit means efectivo o tarjeta de crédito. Efectivo o tarjeta de crédito means cash or credit in Spanish. Our next sentence is quiero pagar los relojes. Relojes means the watches in Spanish, and efectivo means in cash. So quiero means I want. Pagar means to pay. Los relojes means the watches. So quiero pagar los relojes in efectivo. It means I want to pay for the watches in cash. Quiero pagar los relojes en efectivo. I want to pay for the watches in cash. So that's all for today. Hope you really like today's video. If you really like today's video, please like, share and comment on language for all channels. And till then, adios and gracias por mirar. Bye and thanks for watching.